Yeah, today we have finally finished the work of this driving assist package. Right, you can see the blind spot warning angle and dual lens camera over here and the triple lens below. Okay, and also the radar sensor inside here. Okay, you see, it's no more those simple one. It's a high spec. Inside got a radar sensor. Okay, high spec radar sensor. And surely we install the driving assist module, blind spot radar. Actually, it's not simple blind spot radar. It's a high spec also. And the module is in below the seat, and we have changed the steering wheel button, etc. Quite a lot of things changed, and now we are going to do a test drive. Let me go through this MBX first. Okay, inside this let's ignition on. Inside this setting, we have this assistance. Okay, then we can see camera and parking, traffic sign assist, right? And this is active lane keep assist, on and off. This is active brake assist and early, medium, late, off. This is attention assist. That means we put the standard, right? Okay, this is active blind spot assist. Active lane change assist. That means he can change auto change lane. And this is a road-based speed adaptation according to the speed. Now we can see there's a 50 km/h, the speed limit info, right? Over here. Okay. Okay, later we will start the engine to get everything working. Now we finalize everything now. Okay, we go through all these features in this assistance, like the active lane change assist and the road-based speed adaptation. Now we are demoing you this auto lane change. Okay, we set the speed to 80, right? Now we are changing lane now. Okay, lane change to right. Okay, we show you again. You see? This is a full screen view. Lane change to the left. Okay, if I don't touch the signal, it won't do. Okay, we touch the signal again. Okay, he's changing lane to the left lane. Okay, once changed, he goes to the left lane. Okay, and we change to the right lane again. Okay, we see behind got no car, so it's changing lane. Right? Very beautiful. So that's called lane change assist. Yeah, above 80 km/h, then this one will be working. Auto lane changing. You see, lane changed. We go to the left lane, change to the left lane, automatically, hands-free. Okay, done. Change to the right lane, automatically. He will do a little bit speed up because we are changing lane. Okay, change lane because beside we have something. Then he will wait until the road is empty on the left lane, then he will change. It's perfect, really. Thank you for watching. Bye.